Hello parents, do you want to teach colors to your child? This is Swapna Mahesh, your remedial coach. I am here today to discuss and guide you to help how to teach colors in a step-by-step way in this video. Let's start. Hello.
Hello.
Today we are going to learn colors.
Colors.
Red,
Red.
red,
Red.
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 Yellow,
Yellow.
yellow,
Yellow.
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 Blue,
Blue.
blue,
Blue.
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 Okay. Match red block with red flashcard. Show me where is red. Match it.
Red.
Red. Yellow. Where is yellow? Match it. Blue. Match it. Very good. Now you are going to match all the red blocks. Okay, all the red blocks one by one on red. Where is red block? Keep it on the red flashcard. Yes. Take another one. Keep it. Okay. Take this red. Is it red? Is it red? No. Okay. Very good. Take yellow block and match it with yellow.
Yellow.
Take all the yellow blocks. Very good. Okay. Now take all the blue blocks and match it on the blue. Very good. Okay. Now we are going to build the blocks with a similar color. So you are going to build. Search all the red blocks and build it. Okay. We are going to build a tower.
Yellow. No.
No?
Yellow.
Yellow? Okay. Good. Now search for yellow blocks. Good.
Yellow. Yellow. Yellow.
Very good. Now search for our blue blocks.
Blue. Blue.
Very good. Okay. Now I have a basket of objects. Okay. You are going to name them. Okay. What is this?
Apple.
Apple. You are going to add the color. Okay. Red apple.
Red apple.
Red tomato.
Red tomato.
Yellow mango.
Yellow mango.
What is this?
Yellow banana.
Very good.
Yellow ball. Blue ball.
Very good. Okay.
Blue car.
Blue car. Okay. Let's revise again. Okay.
Yellow banana. Blue car. Red apple. Blue ball. Yellow mango. Red tomato.
Red tomato. Very good. Okay. Now you are going to match the flashcards. Okay. Match the color with the flashcards. So what is this?
Apple.
What color is this?
Red apple.
So match it with red color. Where is red? Very good. Okay. What is this?
Red tomato.
Match it with red. Where is red? Very good. What is this now?
Yellow triangle.
Match it with yellow color. And what is this?
Yellow lemon.
Yellow lemon. Match it with yellow. Where is yellow? Very good. What is this?
Yellow balloon.
Yellow balloon. Just see.
No, blue balloon.
Blue balloon. Yes. Keep it on blue color. Very good. What is this?
Blue quill.
Blue quill. Keep it on blue color. Very good. Learn the spellings. Okay. R
R
E
E
D.
D.
Red.
Red.
R
R
E
E
D.
D.
Red.
Red.
R
R
E
E
D.
D.
Red.
Red.
Match it with red flashcard. Very good. Okay. Y
Y
E
E
L
L
L
L
O
O
W.
W.
Yellow.
Yellow.
Y
Y
E
E
L
L
L
L
O
O
W.
W.
Yellow.
Yellow.
Y E
E
L
L
L
L
O
O
W.
W.
Yellow. Match it with yellow. Very good. Okay. Now let's learn blue. Okay. B
B
L
L
U
U
E.
E.
Blue.
Blue.
B
B
L
L
U
U
E.
E.
Blue.
Blue.
B
B
L
L
U
U
E.
E.
Blue.
Blue.
Match it. Okay. Now you are going to match color with the spellings. Okay. Now show me where is R-E-D red.
Red.
R-E-D red. Then match it. Change the flashcard. R-E-D.
R E D.
Red.
Red.
Okay. Now yellow. Show me where is yellow. Yellow. Read the spelling.
Y
Hmm.
E
Hmm.
L L O W. Yellow.
Match it. Very good. Hmm.
B L U E. Blue.
Very good. Now tell me the spelling of red.